This kitchen sink caddy is absolutely everything you could need in a kitchen sink caddy. This is my old one and it did not work at all. I am now using it as a pen holder because this thing has no holes in the bottom, so it would get all moldy and gross. And then your sponge is gonna get all moldy and gross. No, I'm not gonna wash my dishes that I use to eat on with unclean sponges. So we got rid of that one and we replaced it with this one. This one is absolutely amazing. It's everything. So we can actually fit our hand soap and our dish soap over here on this side. Take it out for now just so I can show you. But then we have our handle brush, our sink plug, our sponge, some bottle cleaners, and a pan scraper as well. So this thing is customizable as well. So this little thing can just come out and then you can just slide it on one of these notches. So if you had a smaller bottle and you wanted to separate the little sections, you could do that. But I just keep it right there so that my brushes are all organized. And then it does have this drain tube right here too. And depending on where you're putting this next to your sink, you can move this drainage tube. So mine's just on the very back of the sink, so that's why I keep it out like this. But if you're gonna put it next to your sink like this, you could just move that over and then it'll drain on this side. So you can just maneuver that drainage tube just so it can go anywhere you need it to. And it just snaps in like so. It's also really easy to remove the bottom piece and clean that up. So you'll just press up on either side and then it just slides right out so you can clean that. If it starts to look a little yucky, you could just clean that off. And it's this nice cleanable material, super slick, so you could just wash this off really easily. That's what the bottom looks like. So you can just snap that off or turn it to a different direction depending on your sink needs. But then it drains from there into your sink. And that's what it looks like without the bottom piece. So the bottom piece just rests on these legs right here. And then the feet actually keep it above the counter so you don't get all that mold and mildew under there. And then you can remove this and you can adjust it however you want. If you wanted that over there, it just fits perfectly right here because they do have this bar that is not removable right there. So it'll fit perfectly in there, but you can remove that if you needed more space and you just wanted to set that on the side. And then that bottom piece, you just slide it back in and just press down on the edges, just like that. And then you're ready to go again. Like I said, this fits my dish soap, my hand soap, my handle brush, my sink plug, a scraper, 2 bottle cleaners, and my actual sponge. And it just looks so nice and neat. These people literally thought of everything. This thing is so nice.